still laying underneath Bam Bam.
I beg of you, good sir, do me the merciful honor of death.
And Tyler's trying to talk to Bam Bam about just dying. When you buy a transfer case, this also is underneath Bam Bam. You buy a transfer case off of someone, always make sure that there's bolts in it. You may be asking yourself, these bolts look awfully wet. They're from my T case that blew up because he didn't have any. He just drove almost 14, 15 hours, 6 different states on a transfer case that was held together by just RTV. Silicone. And then he wheeled it. Does it need bolts? Is there anything that you would like to say?
Get the fucking camera out of my face.
Or else what?
I'm gonna shit on that phone too.
I'm gonna close the hood.
Do us all a favor.
Grinding it now.
That sounds smooth.
Got a little.
Yeah, there's
I don't know if that's from the exhaust though.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of junk to clear out.
Give it gas.
Yeah, give it a couple revs.
Give it some revs. He's messing with something. Give it a couple revs.
So it may have a lot of junk built up right now because of how it was running. Go drive around the block. See if it's any better. Your hood's still open. I need a second third. Hot? Yeah. I'm gonna let it go. It should turn it off. It's finally leaving AutoZone's parking lot. Thank you, AutoZone, for having every part for his Jeep. I also got a part instead of Darren, so, but we already got like 12. So we planned for an off day and we just wasted it in AutoZone's parking lot, but now Bam Bam's actually running, so we will be booking it to a campsite to do laundry, eat, relax, what we can do, and hammer down the last couple of days of this trip. Hopefully no more breakdowns.
Hoping I can help to keep them afloat. Take me back to days that seemed so much harder. Oh, when love and true was all that I know. I took the time off that I need just to find me. Pick you up from the side of the road. Now this ride just seems so damn lonely. Silence, I know.
We just checked out that little campground. It's gonna be our backup. A couple other little off, out in the wilderness ones that isn't a campground, camp spot. So we will see if we find something. If not, we're going back there.
And to think I've been loving you, but you say you do it all on mean, this shit gets old. Climb this mountain, baby, so we can fall down. 'Cause there's a rocky ending coming, I know. Let these words tattoo themselves to my heart now, so I can read all these mistakes that I've wrote. While this market for attention is failing, oh, it's sailing to another small town. I need to find a compass just to direct me, so I can help to turn this all around. And to think I've been loving you, well, you say you do it all on your own. Tell me why I'm such a fool, chasing rainbows that never have gold. I mean, this shit gets old.
Laundry day and steamy. Aaron took a bath tonight.
I took another one.
Yeah.
That was fantastic last night, so I took another.
Tyler took a bath with me. We had rubber duckies and floaties.
The only time you should have rubber ducks.
Yeah, jeez. And now we're having some concoction of... It looks like soup. It looks better than on film.
Yeah, that just, ooh, yes. Let me introduce you to our vomit throw up dinner. Yes. It's whatever Dory ate. She didn't want it anymore.
Because we're out of food.
We're not really out of food. We're out of pre-planned meals.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
So that is
We are adding in
a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Oh, ooh, lovely.
We got home style Mexican.
Per container, 300 calories. There's 2 of these.
Well, there's 3 of us.
And here we go with this one here. It says 80 calories. Not bad, not bad.
Okay.
All right.
That's 680.
Small container in here, 60. And this one here is 230.
All right, well. Good thing we burned all those calories today, right?
Swimming, right.
Yeah, swimming. Swimming.
Swim.
See? We got veggies in there too.